Hello students, welcome back to video lecture series on the subject concrete technology. I am Muhammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, assistant professor. So this is the video lecture number 14 on the chapter cement. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the various types of cement. In that, we have seen ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement, sulfate resisting cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, and last one Portland pozzolana cement. So, in the previous session, I think you all learn about various types of cement in a very well. So, students, can you able to describe the various types of cement? If I ask question to you, what do you mean by extra rapid hardening cement? Can anyone define or explain? Yes, correct. So, in this session, we will try to cover the following different types of cement: Portland slag cement, high alumina cement, air entraining cement, super sulfated cement, masonry cement, expansive cement, and colored cement. And the last one is the white cement. We will try to cover those topics in this session so that you will understand in in a better way. So let us move towards first 8 number Portland slag cement. So as the name indicates, slag. Slag is the waste product that will result from blast furnace slag. So in this cement that can be made by mixing Portland cement clinker along with gypsum and granulated blast furnace slag that should not exceed 65%, and the color of that Portland slag cement is blackish gray in color. It produces less heat of hydration, and less heat of hydration is needed when you want to decrease the setting time of an cement. That's why it is mostly used for marine works and mass concreting works. In mass concreting works, less heat of hydration is needed, so that the another layer should be laid in a proper time so that bonding takes place in different layers should be perfect, and it also offers good resistance to sulfate of attack. The next one is high alumina cement. So students, high alumina cement क्या होता है? This cement is different from ordinary Portland cement, and हाई एल्यूमिना सीमेंट जो है इसका कलर डार्क होता है. डार्क कलर की वजह से ये हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट it also resistance to chemical attack, and the initial setting time of that high alumina cement is 4 hours. As you know, the initial setting time of cement is 30 minutes, but the high alumina have an initial setting time 4 hours and final setting time of 5 hours. The raw materials which are used for making an high alumina cement are limestone and bauxite. So students, can anyone define the high alumina cement or explain it? Yes. Okay. So let us move towards the new type of cement, air entraining agent. So the air entraining cement that can be made by using oils, fats or fatty acids along with ordinary Portland cement ground together. So why it is necessary to use the air entraining cement? So the reason behind that, if you are using air entraining cement, so that will form tiny air bubbles which enhance workability, and obviously that will reduces segregation and bleeding that is desirable to achieve a target strength of an concrete. It also increases sulfate water resistance of concrete, so you may use such air entraining agents for construction of marine structures. The next one, super sulfated cement. So super sulfated cement consists of ground blast furnace slag, as you've seen. You already studied about ground granulated blast furnace slag cement. You have to add that along with ordinary Portland cement and along with CaSO4. So the heat of hydration of that cement is considerably lower, and it also resistance to sulfate attack, and because of those property, that cement is used in construction of marine structure and for construction of or making an mass concrete works, especially for dams. So students, can anyone tell me about the different types of cement? Okay, can anyone define it? Yes, correct. सो इसके बाद हम देखेंगे मैशनरी सीमेंट क्या होता है. सो मैशनरी सीमेंट जो होता है वो ऑर्डिनरी सीमेंट से ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक होता है, और मैशनरी सीमेंट इज बनाया जाता है बाय यूजिंग हाइड्रेटेड लाइम, crushed stone, granulated slag, or highly colloidal clays are mixed with it. That's why the name is called as masonry cement. Masonry cement means here you can use highly colloidal clays along with lime and crushed stone. So obviously if you are adding highly colloidal clays and different materials like lime, crushed stone or slag, so that will reduces the strength of an cement. So can anyone define the masonry cement? and what are the ingredients constituents are used to make an masonry cement? Can anyone? Yes. So let us see next one, expansive cement. So the question may arises that what is the expansive cement? How cement that can be expand, that is possible or not? So let us see that one. So the difference in this cement, the volume increases when the cement settles. Means the volume of cement increases after settle down of an cement. So where it is needed, expansive cement where it is needed. So you must know actually this cement that utilizes shrinkage of concrete. As you know the shrinkage of concrete which were discussed previously, that will that will create cracks. So to eliminate the cracks, you can use the expansive cement because those expansive cement that will fill the cracks, and that property is desirable mostly for hydraulic structures to reduces the leakage property or to increases the impermeability of that concrete structures. So mostly such cement may be used in repair work and for old age structure where you have seen the formation of cracks, you may use that cement, expansive cement, and obviously uh, that cement will expand after setting, and that will fill the cracks, hair cracks, minute cracks of that structures, especially for old buildings. And this is done by using that cement. So, can anyone define the expansive cement? Okay, what are the uses of that expansive cement? Yes. So, let us move towards colored cement. As you seeing here, the name itself gives the meaning colored cement. So, to make an colored cement, you may use a color pigments. So, the color of cement may get changed. Usually, the cement of color is greenish gray color, as all of you know that. So, you can change into a white cement or into a brown color by addition of suitable pigments. Pigments that you are using to make an clear cement that should be durable under light, sun or weather, and that will increases the cost of an cement, and that clear cement is especially needed for architectural point of view and aesthetic point of view, especially in construction of elevations. As you have seen the various structures. So the next one is the white cement. The white cement name indicates white. So as you know the color of cement is greenish gray. So how it can be possible to make white cement? So the white cement you can make it by addition of white chalk or clay which is free from iron oxide along with ordinary Portland cement. So स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को पता है सीमेंट का जो कलर होता है ग्रीनिश ग्रे जो कलर होता है वो आयरन ऑक्साइड की वजह से होता है. सो व्हाइट सीमेंट बनाने के लिए आप लोगों को जो कंटेंट है आयरन ऑक्साइड का कंटेंट कम करना पड़ेगा, उसकी वजह से आप लोग व्हाइट सीमेंट बना सकते हो। So white cement you can make only when if you keep the content of iron oxide as low as possible. And while burning of an cement, while manufacturing of an cement, instead of coal, you may use oil fuels for burning that will give a pure white color. So students, I think you understand in a very well the different types of cements of this session. So I think all of you have noted the different types of cement and their descriptions. Have you noted? Yes. So these are the some expected questions at the end of this session. Explain following types of cement: Portland slag cement, high alumina cement, air entraining cement, super sulfated cement, masonry cement, expansive cement, colored cement, and white cement. So, hope students you will learn those points and you understand those points. And I think this is sufficient for this session. And in the next session, we will try to cover the another points. Okay, thank you.